Hi, and welcome to Ohlins product educational video. My name is Byron Draper, product specialist for the Motorcycle Road and Track division. Replacing the front fork cartridge on your motorcycle is not a new concept. But what is a cartridge kit? How do they work? And what benefits do they offer you as a rider? We can take a closer look at cartridge kits, and in particular, our NIX damping system. Let me explain that a damping system is the part of the suspension that controls the chassis and wheel movements. Without it, the wheel would continue to bounce in an uncontrolled manner, not allowing the tire to stay in contact with the road surface. Hydraulic damping systems normally control chassis and wheel movements by restricting the flow of oil as the damper moves. A cartridge kit allows you to replace the original damping system with well-known Ohlins products that fit into your original fork externals. For most applications, this also adds external compression, rebound, and preload adjustability, not always found on the original components. The NIX system has been developed for street use, track day, and production racing. It separates compression and rebound damping circuits, allowing adjustments to one circuit without affecting the other, unlike many other systems. This also makes the adjusters easily accessible at the top of each fork leg. Looking a little closer at the NIX cartridge kit, we can see the spring, used to hold up the weight of the motorcycle, including rider. And here we have the damping cartridge, used to control the chassis and wheel movements. Inside the damping cartridge is a piston attached to a piston shaft. The main piston shim stack is located on one side of the piston and a check valve on the opposite side. When the motorcycle hits a bump in the road, it causes the fork to compress, absorbing the bump, commonly known as the compression phase. When this takes place, the spring compresses and the piston shaft moves. This causes the pressure in front of the piston to rise, creating a positive pressure buildup. The compression shim stack will open, allowing a restricted flow of oil through the piston ports. This restriction controls the chassis and wheel movements by providing resistance, referred to as damping force. When a spring is compressed, it stores energy. When released, this energy tries to return the spring to its original length. This causes the fork to extend, commonly known as the rebound phase. During this phase, the damping process takes place in the opposite direction in the rebound fork leg. Without resistance from the damping system, the fork would compress and extend easily, allowing the front of the motorcycle to bounce up and down uncontrollably. To combat this, the NIX damping system provides consistent performance to keep your front tire in contact with the road surface and maintain chassis stability. The result is improved comfort, safety, and predictability, which inspire confidence throughout your riding experience. Developed and designed to fit a wide range of motorcycles, the NIX cartridge kit gives better performance for supersport, street, tourers, and Harleys alike. With the additional features provided by the adventure kit, challenging terrain and higher suspension velocities more common on this type of motorcycle are not an issue. Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed our video. Now it's time to get out and enjoy your motorcycle.